Hi everyone, this is Bramesh from brameshtechanalysis.com, and in this video we'll discuss about the Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. Nifty has almost seen a fall of 1000 points from the top on last Monday, and Bank Nifty around 2000 to 2500 points, the fall we have seen, and we have seen a very drastic fall, both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. And like I was also not able to update my site from last 3 to 4 trading sessions, and I'm very really thankful to all the people who are concerned about my health and my well-being. I'm very much thankful to you. My gratitude to all of you. I'm all well. I had some work, so I was not in access with the internet, so that is why I was not able to update my website. And mostly from today, I'll start doing the same. So I'll just give you a brief update what has happened before and what we are going to expect both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So as you can see here, this is the chart of Nifty, and in my last analysis which I put it on Friday, I was telling the next week will be an important, we have a very important astro date, and that astro date was the sun was going in conjunction with Neptune. So Neptune is the second farthest planet. So what I've done is I have selected sun. So again, to reiterate, I'm using a software called Timing Solutions. If you want to purchase this software, you can visit their website timingsolutions.com. So this is sun, and it is going in conjunction with Pluto, oh sorry, with Neptune. So Neptune is the second farthest planet, and see, these are the astro events which comes once in a while. They don't come every now and then. So when an event comes really less, I mean very less or very rarely, it increases its importance many folds. So this was the date. This event happened on 11th. Now 11th was a trading. 11th was this particular event happened on 11th of March, and on 11th of March, like we had this small, on that was a small candle. The next day, the low was breached. Market opened with gap up, but within first 15 minutes only it breached the low. And from that day, we are just seeing a one-sided fall in the market. Till it doesn't close above this high, the market can continue in its downtrend. Now, how this particular event has performed before? So if you can, you know, last time it came somewhere here on 8th of March again, and from there, again we had a very good fall in the market. So these are the events which comes once in a while, and we have our database to note it down. Again, see, this event came here in 2019 on 6th of March, and from there we had a very good rally in the market. And I'll take one more example. See here. So this event is which is something which never fails us. Similarly, when is the next date which is coming? It is coming somewhere in. So this is something which you can keep in your, for the next year. This is on, I think around 7th of March. So whenever, you can be cautious on this particular date. So as we know, this event is very important for us. So this is the thing. And secondly, like I have again in my neural analysis video, like I've shared last time also, that we were expecting a fall in between, the market just went up. So but see here, this was a decline we were looking at, and today it says like we might made a bottom, and there are again important astro and time cycles to this which we will be discussing now. And we can see a little bit jump up in the market till 21 22nd, a small fall, and we can see a good rally in the expiry week. This is for Bank Nifty. Let me show you the neural analysis for Nifty also. This is for Bank Nifty. Let me show you for Nifty. Yeah, this is for Nifty. Again, it was showing like a big fall. We were seeing like in between we had a little bit bump up, but eventually the trend prevailed and we had a very nice fall, almost 900 points fall in this last four trading sessions. And from there we are expecting a good rally in the market. Let's see what market has in place. Again, to reiterate, this is not a holy grail. It has been wrong many times. Don't ever blindly take a trades based on this. Our price and time both should confirm. No, this is all done. I mean, this has happened, and I never made a video on that. So this is just, I just wanted to show you what is happening. So now coming to the important part, what can happen now. So like I've written on my Facebook and Twitter, like we can expect a bottoming out formation today. There can be two reasons for that. First is this is the moon cycle which I've applied. This happens every 15-20 days. This is a very important cycle. So you can see here, you see major tops and bottoms. 21st top was made here, It's 16 Feb we made a top, but 18 Feb it was there. From there we had a good fall. Again, it is coming here today. And yeah, see, this was a bottom, this was a bottom. So this is very, very important moon cycle, you know. So, and the next date is coming on 4th or 14th of April. So you can keep in mind. So what is important today is today's high and low is very important. Why today's low is very important? Today's low is very important for two reasons for an index per se. First thing is we are forming a kind of double bottom. This is supply and demand analysis. This is a double bottom in Nifty. This was a bottom and here it is a supply zone. So if this low of, I mean, give and take 20 points, so 1444 should be the stop loss for any person who went long, provided we don't open gap down tomorrow. If that is held, we should see a rally towards 14,745, 14,876 and 15,000 again. And if this gets breached, there's a high probability we can go all the way till 14,213. This is about Nifty. And I want to show you one more thing, which is, these Gann angles. See here, we made a top here, and from there again we are back to the support zone. So if this low 14,400 to 14,444 is held, you know, we can see a rally back towards here. The price can again move up here. If that is not breached, there is a high probability we are seeing a very big fall in the market. Now let's go to Bank Nifty. So this is about Nifty. This Let's move to the Bank Nifty now. Where Bank Nifty is currently trading, this was a kind of price and time squaring in Bank Nifty. 11th was an important date, 12th March, and Astro date. It was a Gann date also. It hit the Gann angles, not able to breach it, and from there we are heading all the way to here. So we are entering into the support zone of this thing. The extreme good support is around 33,000. So today's low was 33,597. So another, 33,200 to 33,000 is a good zone to go long with a like a 100-point stop loss in Bank Nifty because the Gann support zone is there. So, and I wanted to tell you about Gann cycles also. So this is Bank Nifty chart. Now, if you go back, let's suppose in 2008, which will be a 13-year cycle. 2018 plus 3 to 13-year cycle on 8th March of 2018 March 2008 we made a major bottom here, you know so from there we had a very good rally in the market. So this is also, so this is what we can see, a price and time can occur. So price based on the Gann angles like 14,400 to 14,467 important support zone. If that is held, then I have given you the levels on upside. And similarly, if that gets breached, then the fall can accentuate. You can very quickly see a fall till 14,200. So this is an important. Similarly for Nifty, if I can see here, 8th March of 2008, which will be, sorry, 18th March of 2008. Yeah, it was here, and from there again, see, we almost rallied almost 900 points. So that was a rally of almost more than 20% in Nifty. So very, very important based on the historical analysis also. So we have discussed an important astro cycle, which is the moon cycle, Gann time cycles, which are also coming. So which makes a good risk to reward trade. So if the low of 14,444, so if give and take 40 points, 14,400 should be the ultimate stop loss for the people who want to go long, and above 14,641 the rise short covering will come in place, and it can take Nifty to 14,800, and if the and even to 15,000 odd levels. For Bank Nifty, I'm watching out for 33,500 600 33,666. If that gets taken out, then 33,856, 34,000, 34,225 and 34,600 is I'm watching on upside. On downside, if today's best is to go short below 33,000 for a move to 32,761 and 32,400 and 32,000. These are the levels I'm watching for Bank Nifty also. So this is how we have a complete trade plan for Nifty and Bank Nifty for the coming week. I've shown you the importance of an even sun ingress will be coming, that is on weekend. So like 2 or 3 time cycles are coming near. So it's an important event, important dates, and next week being a monthly expiry, generally monthly expiry and the financial year closing also. So you tend to see a good short covering. You can see a good short covering. A big rise or fall can be seen very clearly in the market. So let's see what market has in place. and trade with discipline, be disciplined, trade with right position size. The market, market always, it is not, I mean, there is no easy money in the market. So we have seen a good trending move. Now market has shown a good time correction. It was trading within a range. A lot of people have lost good amount of money, but that is what, if you are, one or two trades, if you are not good with your risk management, you tend to lose a big amount of money. So don't be overconfident. Trade with the right position size, stick to your discipline, be with the right position size, and let market decide. Don't be ego, don't have your ego in front of the market. So that's about it. And again, I wish you guys all the best, and thank you very much for all the love and care you have shown to me. Thank you very much. Thank you.